It's kind of interesting that these things really were quite cutting edge at the time. And in this infrared light, a crowd of 500 people came out onto the stage, and then they were relayed onto screens. So the whole idea that Rauschenberg had was to create the effect of removing, that you would feel or sense the presence of these people in the darkness, but their image would be displaced somewhere else. And so I think it's quite a critical, I mean, each one of these performers had a certain effect they wanted to create, and there was the kind of question of whether the technology was needed to achieve that effect, whether that effect could be achieved through other means. It's really fascinating to go into the archives and look at the discussions they had later, because they later formed this group, Experiments in Art and Technology, and the way the engineers discuss these things and the way the artists discuss them are quite different. For instance, this was sort of the heart of the whole thing. It was called the patchboard system.